Ayan, waiting naman.
Ay, iyo pala diyan ang sinasabi mo.
No problem.
Aw, iyo ba kain nung diyan dito sa Iriga, sisigi ay baga. Kunyan, radyo, ronda. Anong unya?
Ay, lo. Ako na music. Ako na music. Easy, tatay-do. Easy, tatay-do. No. May balita na. May music pa.
Aw, iyo. Abet daw, pili ka na. Ta, AM agkuman palang music.
Simply the best.
Ala, kusog-kusog ka. Sige, makusog ka. Amo talaga. Ako na music. 332. Ay, nako. Verte man, ano? Niso, verte.
Sabi ko na sa'yo mo, lo. Di ka kaya. Waiting ka. Waiting. Puro ka waiting.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gungunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sidasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DCKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network Radyo Ronda DZKI Iriga Member Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Sigera, President, Sigera Technological Colleges, Irigan City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Sigera Technological Colleges.
This program is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold Makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong kahit sabay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS Good pa lumipas siya. Hello Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good pa lumipas siya. Hello Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang
99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tupod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo!
Smart
dishwashing paste ko!
Smart
Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing yung sebo, asin bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste!
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya. In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya, wow. White roses. White rose papaya. May glow up with white rose papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier, Pera Padala.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, Mantinino, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard asing undersized na mga bakal arog kan kabilya, angle bars, asing iba pa tasigon sa mga eksperto nakabarato ka man sa presyo alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales asin posibleng magdulot pa ning diskwido kaya sa Ngo & Sons. Ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asing sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong familia, Ngo & Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto, sad kungunyan.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Charpagol, makapun sa choy. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charpagol, makapun sa choy. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sabay sa loob. Makapun sa choy.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Good pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good pa lumipas siya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 smart dishwashing paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Arog kayan, pag smart ang dishwashing paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya. Wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya. Wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya.
May glow up with White Rose Papaya. Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Free senior high school? Yes, free! Only at Sigara Technological Colleges. No tuition fee. Covered by the SHS Vouchers Program. Free uniform. Free PE uniform. Free school ID. And even free transportation within Nabwa, Bato, Mountain Unit, Iriga City proper, and Baao. That's right! Quality education with less gastos for your family. Either being a student taking the academic track or technical professional track. Enjoy quality training facilities, dedicated and caring teachers, a safe and supportive campus environment. Dito sa Sigara, libre na. Di kalidad pa ang edukasyon. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now at Sigara Technological Colleges Senior High School. Bring your dreams. We'll take care of the rest. Classes starts on June 15, 2026. Be one of us. Be a Citizen Senior High School. Your future career starts with the right choice. Take the next step at Sigara Technological Colleges, your partner in achieving academic excellence and professional success. Offering competitive degree program like Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management, Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology. At CTC, you don't just earn a degree, you gain industry-relevant skills, hands-on experience, leadership training, and a strong foundation for your career. Sigara prepared me not just to graduate, but to succeed in the real world. Be part of a college that builds leaders, innovators, and professionals. Enroll now at Sigara Technological Colleges. Visit our campus or connect with us online today by visiting and messaging our official Facebook page. Enrollment is ongoing. classes starts for the first semester of academic year 2026-2027 is on August 17, 2026. This is the Segura Technological College's knowledge, skills, and discipline.
An RPN DZKI 1332 kHz Radyo Ronda Iriga City nakikisumaro sa pagselebrar kan kapistahan ni Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia Asin Divino Rostro ngunyan na taon na 2026. Uya ang mga sponsors kan samuyang Peña Francia Festival 2026 special coverage. Barangay Kagawad, Eugene M. Bagaporo and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Viro Couture by Ronnie Gutierrez Visitacion, owned and managed by Ronnie G. Visitacion, located at Zone 2 La Purisima Street, Goa, Camarines Sur, with contact number 0968-235-8572. Felisa, Timonay and Family, Great Rapids City, State of Michigan, United States of America, and San Nicolas, Iriga City.
Sa pagrukyaw kang kapiyastahan ni Ina, patron kan Kabikolan, Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, mawat niya mo ang padagos na katuninungan, asin biyaya ng Diyos sa lambang pamilya. Ang RPN DZKI Radyo Ronda Iriga, katuwang ang mga minasunod na sponsors, nagpapasalamat sa gigibuhon na live coverage kan traslasyon asin fluvial procession ngunyan na taon 2026. Honorable Leonardo Jun Narito Jr., Municipal Vice Mayor, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Attorney Shai Fajardo Noble, Board Member, 5th District, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay Nilsitas Azul, Bermas and Family, Barangay Luluwasan, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Princess May Berses Masbanwa and Family, SK Federation President, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Former Municipal Councilor Ruben de los Santos Briones. Police Major Engelbert L. Toraldo, Chief of Police, Baao Municipal Police Station. Police Captain Rolando R. Rigaspi Jr., Chief of Police, Balatan Municipal Police Station, Manghente Beach Resort, Pararaw, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by Mrs. Adel Fajardo Manghente and Blisilda Manghente Elevado, Lalas Boutique and Minimart and BJSN Store, Poblacion, Siramag, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Samantas Place Resort and Events Place. Get relaxed and feel the ocean breeze that you're looking for. With your family open for any types of events, located at Zone 4, Barangay Duran, Balatan, Camarines Sur. For inquiries, message their FB page at Samantas Place, Cheer Tracking Services, Las Piñas, to any point in the Philippines. Owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Balagat and family. For inquiries or reservation, contact 0906-733-4144. Milestream Water Refilling Station and Milestream Variety Store, located in front of Balatan Municipal Police Station. Owned and managed by Mr. Christian Elio, Mr. Gino Lumitao and family, also known as Mandaragat TV. Tunewave Lights and Sounds. Services offered: sounds and lights, square trusses, lead wall, stage roofing, lead dance floor, band equipments, generator, cold sparkler, DJ spinner. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is located at Barangay Santa Cruz Sur, Iriga City. For inquiries, contact 0929-6251-842. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is owned and managed by Mr. Ruben M. No. M. Daily Grocery. Items are very affordable. Your everyday one-stop shop, located at Zone 1, Barangay Pararaw, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Jello and Josh Water Refilling Station, located at Zone 2, Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by Josel Belmonte Ani. Saks Flower Shop, Zone 5, Highway 1, San Miguel, Iriga City, near Yusan, Iriga. Services offered: car surprise, bouquet for birthday, anniversary, money bouquet, wedding, sympathy flowers for funerals or any kind of flowers arrangements, retailer and wholesaler. For For inquiries, follow their FB page at Zach's Flower Shop and Ani Store, located at Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Diyos mabalos sa Saindo Bogabos. Sa liwat na selebrasyon kan kapiestahan ina Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, hangad niya mo ang sa indong kaligtasan asin biyaya sa lambang familia. Ang mensaheng ini hatod sa indo kan MSS Driving School Corporation. Good news sa lahat ng gustong magkaroon ng Student Driver's Permit o Non-Professional Driver's License. Narito na sa Iriga ang MSS Driving School Corporation, located at Highway 1, San Isidro, Iriga City, in front of LTO District Office. MSS Driving School Corporation offers theoretical driving course for student permit and non-professional driver's license. MSS Driving School Corporation is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. At ang kanilang main branch ay matatagpuan sa Lucena City. Meron din silang mga branches sa Pili, Cumaca, Quezon, Alabat, Quezon, Buak, Marinduque, Candelaria, Quezon, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Torrijos, Marinduque, at San Juan, Batangas. MSS Driving School Corporation is now in Iriga City. Tara na, maging professional drivers. Mag-enroll sa MSS Driving School Corporation. MSS Driving School Corporation is owned and managed by Mr. Joven B. Colina. Just contact 0965-653-3349 or 0915-032-0490. Happy Fiesta, Bicolandia. Viva la Virgen. Viva el Divino Rostro.
DWIZ 882 at RPN Provincial Stations. Mas pinalakas.
Na kami dito na hindi na kami nagpupunta ng Manila para kumuha ng mga goods. At saka nagpagawa na rin kami ng isang malaking rice complex na pwedeng ibodegalize yung dito sa Pampanga. So, walang problema doon. Ang pinoproblema lang namin talaga ngayon, yung solban ang malaking tubig na bumababa sa amin.
Okay, yan ang priority. Okay.
Priority namin.
Okay. Maraming po salamat, Governor. Napakaganda ng inyong discussion. Okay?
Salamat,
Sana nga mangyari ang gusto nyo mangyari sa masugpo
Hindi
yung...
pwedeng hindi mangyari.
Kailangan mangyari po yan. Oo. Pipilitin natin.
Wala sa mapa. Kailangan nito talaga agad.
Gadibdib na tubig. Hirap. Na-miss ko tuloy makauwi nga sa weekend. Salamat po, Governor. Yan po si Governor Lilia Pineda ng Pampanga. Okay yan. Ano yung sabi mo, Sabo?
Sabo lang.
Paliwanag mo nga, pare. Kasi kanina, medyo walang pagkakataon. Ano ibig sabihin niya, Sabo Dam?
Yung Sabo Dam, yan yung mga sa river systems, imbis na
hindi malakihan.
Imbis na lagyan mo ng high